Hello everyone, so as you can see, the remote is not paired with this toilet at the moment. No matter what I press, nothing really moves over here. So how do we pair the remotes? The instructions are written at the back of the remote over here, and they're pretty simple. Nevertheless, I'm going to demonstrate to you. First, what I need to do, I need to unplug the toilet. As you can see, I am unplugging it, and there's no more power here. Now, this is a bit tricky. You need to hold stop, but look at the back when the lights flicker. So I'm having it right now, right here. The remote has to be next to the toilet, and it flickers. Then I'm gonna go and put the toilet back in. So just make sure the remote is always next to the toilet. You don't do this from far away. Not someone is plugging it in and you're like few steps away. Just do it yourself. So I'm gonna press it again. As you can see, again, it's functioning. You press your flush, it is flushing. Thank you so much.